Hey, what's up? Are you ready to unlock digital wealth and transform your financial future through investing in cryptocurrency? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to Unlocking Digital Wealth Workshop, where in just 5 days, we'll teach you everything you need to know to build a successful crypto portfolio from scratch. My name is Michael James, and I'm the founder of Fourth Eye Visions, and I myself have personally achieved financial freedom through investing in cryptocurrency. And I created this workshop in order to help individuals like yourself who are eager to dive into the world of cryptocurrency but need just a little guidance. Whether you're the beginner or the intermediate person who's looking to improve their profit margins in their portfolio itself. Here's what you can expect on this 5-day workshop. On day one, I will be teaching you crypto basics. This is where I'll be uncovering the fundamentals of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, helping you have a better understanding on why this is revolutionizing finance, real-world assets, and so much more. On day two, we'll be teaching you how to set up your wallet. Now, in order to actually get into the market, you're going to need to have a crypto wallet and a place to know where to buy and exchange your cryptocurrency. On day three is where we're going to learn how to build your portfolio. This is where I'll be teaching you strategies on how to research projects, review the team, understand the roadmap and the white paper, and then also just helping you get a better understanding on how to find the right projects in order to maximize your gains. Day four is risk management. Learn techniques in order to minimize your risk and understand how much you actually can invest in capital and even where to get more funds from. If you're somebody who's been in the market but haven't seen the returns, day four is going to be the day for you. And on day five, we're going to close teaching you how to maximize your gains. This is where I'll be teaching strategies on how markets move and how money moves from Bitcoin into altcoins and what is altcoin season and how to be able to realize gains and profits and move it into other projects that are further emerging, guys. Now, imagine having the confidence and the knowledge to make informed decisions. Also, the ability to spot promising projects and build strategies that can grow your wealth. This is exactly what you'll be getting from this 5-day workshop. But here's the catch. Spots are filling up fast and you should absolutely sign now. We're offering this workshop for a limited time, and once the spots are gone, they are gone. So take action on your financial future right now and sign up by clicking the link below. So don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. And remember, the sooner you start, the sooner you begin building wealth towards your financial future. So guys, I hope to see you soon. And if you're ready to go right now, click the link below.